How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to make your neck veins pop out. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurkin999. So again, I get lots of comments. You can literally see the veins in my neck. These are the exercises that we're going to do. The first exercise that I want you to do, I want you to put your chin on this shoulder. And what you're going to do is you're going to make a big circle with your neck like this. So you're going to keep doing this. 3, 4, 8, keep going. That's 10 repetitions. Quick little break. Okay, what we're gonna do next is I want you to tilt your head, and then with this hand, the opposite hand, you're just gonna put it against your head and you're just gonna push a little bit. This should allow you to feel a nice stretch, and this is where you're gonna get some of the veins to pop out. So just like this, again, I'm just tilting my head and then I'm pushing on like this. So just like this. Okay, we're then going to do this side. We're going to tilt our head like this, and then we're just going to put a little pressure like this, and we're going to hold that. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, the next exercise we're going to do is chin tucks. So you're going to get your chin like this, and then you're going to tuck it like this. You should feel a nice stretch right back here in your neck. "15 reps, perfect, quick little break. Then we're going to go back to the first exercise. This is my favorite exercise. Again, tilting the head like this, rotating it like this. Perfect. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.